My name is Portera, and I'm the VP of Shared Services for Kloeckner Metals US in Mexico. Born and raised in New Orleans, you always deal with hurricanes, and we had a hurricane hit, one that we could never come back to our homes. So Hurricane Katrina was life-changing. We lost everything. Our house was completely underwater, and at the time my sons were 5 and under a year, still in diapers, and we came to Georgia. They said, hey, just make your way to Georgia. They put us up in an extended stay. They paid for the extended stay for 6 months and took care of us, right? We came here with nothing, no clothes, no toys for the kids, and so basically starting over. So it was unbelievable. Not only Kloeckner, but our suppliers, our partners, they stepped up and started collecting gift cards, right, to help out. Gift cards to Target and Walmart, and just anything to help us get back on our feet. And then Kloeckner also said, "Hey, listen, find a place, and we'll pay the down payment and the first month's rent." So it was really incredible what the company did to step up to help.